Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you don't know me, my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I will be trying this wig. I have already worn this wig and the demo will be later in this video. And this wig was sent to me by evahair.com. Evahair is a website where you can find so many different types of wigs. They have a huge variety of wigs with different colors, different length, and so many different styles. And they look very natural. I never knew that wigs look this natural, and I got lots of other wigs, not lots but few of other wigs which I don't like wearing because it's not this good. It doesn't look this natural. So this wig is so natural, and the curls, it seems like it's not a wig, it seems like my own hair. This wig you can style different ways like this, or you can tie it up, or you can do so many different styles with these types of wigs because it looks like it's not a wig, it seems like it's your natural hair. Keep this in mind that this wig is very natural looking and very lightweight. So now about this website ships all of the wigs throughout worldwide with free shipping. These days you have to pay so much shipping when you buy from international. I am buying everything online and I am just tired of paying my shipping. The amount is, if you buy $100, your shipping is close to $100 too. That's how much shipping it costs if you buy from international. But this website ships everywhere with no shipping charges. God, it's so damn good. So if you are interested in wigs, if you are thinking of buying one, I will be buying for myself more because I love it so much. I will be buying like different styles, like some straight ones, some funky ones, and lots of different colors. I want it now because I love it. I didn't know that these wigs are so beautiful. You can just go and check it out yourself, how beautiful the wigs are there on their website, and I will link it below, all the details about the website where you can buy it from. It's evahair.com, and thanks to Evahair for sending me this wig. Wow, I love it. It's just awesome. Thank you so much. So it comes in a box like this. It says Evahair, and at the back their website address. So let's open. So here's the hair, and you also get two-piece cap. So here's the cap and here's the hair. Let's open and see. I've been so busy, that's why I didn't open, but let's see. Wow, so gorgeous. So I got the curly hair just because my natural hair is so curly and so frizzy. That's why I got this one. When they asked me which one I would like to have I told them this one. So this is the hair. Wow, my gosh. Wow, so cool. So let's try this on now. So first I'm going to get a mirror, put it here, and then I'm gonna wear this cap. I haven't tried a wig for ages, and I've got few of the wigs, but their quality are not as good as this one. So wear this first. Okay. First, I have to cut this part out. So first let me see how much I have to cut. The tiny bit of hair comes till here, so I'm gonna just cut this part out. I hope I am doing it right. I think that's how you have to do it. I haven't worn a wig like this before in my life till now. So this is the first time I'm wearing this wig, and let's see how I like it. So as you can see, there is 3 clips here. One is at the back, one here, and one this side. So 2 sides and 1 at the back, and also a adjustable strap both sides, so you can adjust how tight you want. So let's wear. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, now is the best part. You can pull out your tiny bit of your hair, if you have, in front, like this. So now you can just style the way you want. You can part your hair like this, but I will be doing it maybe this side here. Okay, it's now good. As you can see here, it looks a bit natural as my skin color. If you want your head to look more lighter, then you can use a concealer or any foundation. You can just apply a little bit so that it will look more natural, but mine, I guess it looks way too pretty. I am a bit not happy about this part, so I want it to look a bit more natural. So what I will be doing, I will take a eyeshadow. I will use this dark brown one here, just to color this part so that it looks more natural. You can use any color, dark brown, black, so that your hairline over here looks a bit same color. So you just do like this. You can apply like this so that it looks like your natural baby hair there. Wow! My kids haven't seen me like this, and if they see me, they'll say, oh my gosh, you look so damn gorgeous. So yeah, that's it for today. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and join me on all social media sites, and everything will be below in the description box. And don't forget to go check out evahair.com for a huge variety of wigs. Yeah, that's it for today. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.